Hi lovely booktubers, I'm Debs. Welcome back to my channel, Raina Reads Stuff. I'm here in the book shack and I have a surprise. It's not a surprise for you, it was a surprise for me. And I thought I'd share. This arrived yesterday and I couldn't think what it would be. But I opened it up and it's a little stash of books sent to me by the wonderful Roy at Roy Reads Anything. I am joining Roy on a read along that starts next month. He hasn't announced it yet, but we're going to be reading some Hugh Walpole. And Roy has made some lovely little badges. How cool's that? And he sent me a badge. But obviously, this box is far too big to contain just a badge. When I opened it up, there's a positive treasure trove of stuff in here. I had downloaded from DelphiClassics.com the Rogue Herries series of books by Hugh Walpole. Roy has sent me a hard copy of this book, which is lovely. But that's not all. He sent me a load of things that might do tick some of the boxes for this year's Garb August. So, what do we have? We have Surf Safari Nurse by Jane Converse. Laurie Davis loved nursing as much as she loved Ron Turcott. But Ron, what did he love? And what were his feelings about Laurie? He's a surfer, apparently. I don't think I've ever read a surfer nurse book. Brilliant. Then we have, by Peter McCurtain, The Assassin, Manhattan Massacre. This looks quite pulpy. It's about Robert Briganti, who is the assassin, and he lives only to destroy the mafia. Oh, he's got a big submachine gun as well. When's this from? Oh, it's got blue edges. And this was first published in 1973. Then Convoy. I loved this film. This is by B.W.L. Norton. Absolutely nothing was going to stop it. Not the National Guard, not the police, not even the FBI. The Duck had got himself the mightiest convoy ever. And, good buddy, you'd better believe it, they intended to keep that hammer down and roll. Oh, this is so cool. We have Midnight Kiss by Debbie Raleigh. My Lord Vampire, this is called. A kiss has never been so dangerous. There's one here that has arrived just in time for June on the Range. Ambush by Luke Short. Major Brierly, commander of Fort Gamble, could have been yellow. Why did he send a junior officer to reconnoiter the Indian position? Why did he hesitate to rescue a white girl, Mary Carlyle, from the Apaches? It was Ward's kinsman, the most courageous man on the frontier, who finally made the Major face his destiny. They hated each other, yet set out together on a mission that might mean death for them and the girl. That looks fun. Oh my goodness. I used to love this series when I was younger. The Bionic Woman by Maud Willis, Lindsay Wagner. This one's called A Question of Life. And it's about ranchers who believe a lion is responsible for the slaughter of their stock. So Jamie Summers's bionic hearing will come into play here. And finally, we have a novelisation from the series Grimm, The Killing Time by Tim Wagner. What an amazingly generous, kind gift that is. Roy, thank you. I will be sure to put these to very good use. That's all for now. I just wanted to show you the lovely gifts together with Rogue Harry's and this great badge that Roy has sent me. Thank you very much, Roy. That's it. I will be back with my usual reading wrap up tomorrow. Thank you for stopping by. I'll see